How to clear your cookies on your computer on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to clear cookies on Roblox from your computer. So it's a simple process, so follow along carefully. First of all, start by opening your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Google Chrome and sign into your Roblox account. Next, click on the cog icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. And in the settings, choose the security tab on the left side. And here, perform a secure sign out to log out of all other Roblox sessions. Remember, you will need to log in again on other devices you use for Roblox. Ensure that you have your Authenticator app or the email ready for the verification, and after signing out of all the sessions, access your browser settings, in this case, Google Chrome by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to the settings, find the site data, and select Clear Browsing Data. In the Advanced tab, set the time range to all the time, and then choose to clear cookies and site data. It is also recommended to clear the cache, and by doing this, your cookies will be reset on Roblox. So this was all about how to clear your cookies on your computer on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.